thought,
thought.
Oh, well, I thought you talked to Rick.
It's there. And up until tonight, I thought that's what you wanted too.
imagine,
Imagine.
Don't worry. I imagine he'd be okay with you because really he's okay with Ethan.
Try to imagine this. The phone...
resentment,
Resentment.
It's a little bit of resentment.
No resentment. Believe me.
seriously,
Seriously.
Seriously, what's the part?
Just
notice,
Notice.
I've never seen one of his plays before. Notice, no fear, no sense of impending doom.
Exclamation.
Instead, you wait until they send you a notice.
agency,
Agency.
Listen, the usher gave me this to give to you.
What is it?
The Estelle Leonard Talent Agency. Wow, an agency.
borrow,
Borrow.
Here, I need to borrow some moisturizer.
For what?
What do you think? Today...
Okay. Hey, listen, can I borrow a couple of things Aurora spent the night? I really want to make her breakfast.
responsibility,
Responsibility.
All the sex and none of the responsibility.
responsible,
Responsible.
Okay, so I'm responsible. I'm organized.
moisturizer,
Moisturizer.
Here, I need to borrow some moisturizer.
For what?
What do you think? Today...
opportunity,
Opportunity.
Listen, I just want to thank you for this great opportunity.
disturbing,
Disturbing.
Sweet and disturbing about that.
impending,
Impending.
I've never seen one of his plays before. Notice, no fear, no sense of impending doom.
Exclamation.
thought, imagine, notice, agency,